Hello everyone. Today we will solve NCERT question answers of chapter number 11, class 8. Now, first question, first fill in the blanks. First, most liquid that conduct electricity are solution of. So it means कि most liquid that conduct electricity, these liquids are acids, base and salts. So this is the answer. The solution of acid, base and salts are conducting in nature. They allow the current pass through them. Okay, now the passage of electricity current through a solution cause. जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास हो रही है तो वो सॉल्यूशन कॉज करेगा. क्या कॉज करेगा? दिस इज द केमिकल इफेक्ट. तो नाउ ऑप्शन फिल इन द ब्लैंक. सेकंड इज केमिकल. नाउ थर्ड कि इफ यू पास करंट थ्रू कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन, कॉपर गेट्स डिपॉजिट ऑन द प्लेट कनेक्टेड टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स टर्मिनल ऑफ द बैटरी. तो व्हेन current pass through the copper sulfate solution, तो copper gets deposit, copper get positive charge. तो it means कि एक जो ये deposit होगा कहाँ पे होगा? It means it move towards the negative terminal. तो what is the answer? This is the answer, negative terminal of the battery. Now next, the process of deposition a layer of any desired metal on another metal by the mean of electricity is called. When deposition a layer of any desired metal on another desired metal, we know that कि when we material, एक material है उस पर हम दूसरा material cover करेंगे तो what is this? This process is known as electroplating. तो what is the answer? The answer is electroplating. Now next question, when the free ends of a tester are dipped into a solution, the magnetic needle shows deflection. Can you explain the reason? Okay, why the free ends of a tester dipped into a solution, the magnetic needle show deflection? Why magnetic needle show deflection? Because what is the answer? The deflection in the compass needle show that current is following through the wound in wire and hence through the circuit. The circuit is complete since free ends of the tester are dipped in a solution. The solution is certainly a conducting solution. This is the reason why the compass needle show a deflection. So it means कि basically when we put when we free ends of a tester dipped into a solution, the magnetic needle show deflection because this conductor, जो this solution, ये क्या करेगा? This solution pass the electricity from them. That's why the electricity circuit is completed and deflection is occur. Now next question, name the three liquids which when tested in the manner show magnetic needles deflect. Okay, now this is a question. अब हमें ये थ्री वो बताने हैं. This is a figure. Okay, this is a figure and this is liquid. तो example of three liquids which show electricity current circuit पूरा करेंगे. They can pass electricity from them. तो what is the answer? Liquid like lemon juice, salt water and vegetable oil allows electricity to pass through them. Hence these liquid can be used in breaker to show the given effect. कि ये क्या शो करेंगे? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास आउट करेंगे. तो लेमन जूस, इट इज अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. salty water, it is also a good conductor of electricity. Vegetable oil, these are the three examples which can pass electricity from them. Now next question, the bulb does not glow in the setup show in figure. List the possible reason, explain your answer. Okay, now what is the reason when the bulb does not glow? So now the answer is the bulb may not glow because of the following reasons. First, liquid in the beaker is non-conducting. In such case, the electricity current would not be able to pass through the liquid, hence the circuit is not complete. It means कि जो material हम liquid use में ले रहे हैं, it is a bad conductor of electricity. That's why it cannot conducting electricity. Now, second, electric current in the circuit is very weak. This can happen if the material used for making the circuit is not a good conductor of electricity of the battery, does not have sufficient energy to generate electricity. So these are the two reasons कि first, liquid in the beaker is non-conducting. Okay, it may be possible कि जो हमारा liquid है वो conduct नहीं हुआ है, तो एक beaker is non-conducting. And second thing, the liquid it may be bad conductor of electricity. There are two reasons, that's why the bulb does not glow. Now next question. A tester is used to check the conducting of electricity through two liquids labeled A and B. It is found that the bulb of the tester glow brightly for liquid A while it glows very dimly for liquid B. You would conduct that one liquid A is better conductor than liquid B. Okay. Now, first is liquid A is a better conductor than liquid B. Second is liquid B is a better conductor than liquid A. Now third, both liquids are equally conducting. So now what is the answer? Now one more point. Fourth, conducting properties of liquid cannot be compared in this manner. So what is the answer? The answer is liquid A is a better conductor than liquid B. So what is the answer? The answer A is liquid A is a better conductor than liquid B. The amount of current flowing through a conducting solution depends on the conductivity of the solution. With more conductivity, more current pass through the solution and vice versa. Hence, the conductivity of liquid A is more than the conductivity of the liquid B. It means कि जितनी ज़्यादा कि जो conductivity है, it's depends जो basically है solution, conducting solution depends on the conductivity of the solution. और वाइस जो कंडक्टिविटी है वो किस पे डिपेंड कर रही है? करंट पास थ्रू द सॉल्यूशन, कितना करंट पास हो रहा है थ्रू द सॉल्यूशन से, तो ये उसकी कंडक्टिविटी पे डिपेंड करता है कि वो कितना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को पास कर सकता है, उसमें कितनी कैपेसिटी है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को पास करने की. इससे प्रीवियस चैप्टर में हम इससे प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में हमने देखा था कि जो रीजन क्या क्या रीजन हो सकते थे. तो एक हमारा ये भी था कि कुछ जो है वो लिक्विड है वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को इतना पास नहीं कर सकते, वो वीक होते हैं, उनमें इतनी पावर नहीं है कि वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को पास कर सके. तो सेम कि उसमें उतनी वो कंडक्टिविटी पावर नहीं है कि वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को इजीली पास कर सकते हैं. तो इट मीन्स कि जो करंट पास है थ्रू द सॉल्यूशन वो क्या है, लिक्विड ए का क्या है, मोर देन द कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ लिक्विड बी. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डज प्योर वाटर कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? इफ नॉट, व्हाट कैन वी डू टू मेक इट कंडक्टिंग? तो प्योर वाटर, डज प्योर वाटर इट मीन्स डिस्टिल्ड वाटर. We can say pure water, it means distilled water, and we know that distilled water does not conduct electricity. It means कि what is, no, pure water does not conduct electricity. It means distilled water does not conduct electricity because no solvent, no salt present on the distilled water. So this is because pure water devoid any salts Pure water can conduct electricity when a pinch of common salt is added, as salt solution is conduct in nature. So we can prove it by a activity. If we put a circuit and when we use distilled water, so first of all we observe that ki distilled water does not conduct electricity. After that, ki when we add some amount of salt, a pinch of salt in the distilled water, after that when we make a circuit, so then we observe that at that time distilled water with salt solution, it can easily conduct electricity. उसमें से electricity pass out हो सकती है. फर्स्ट क्यों नहीं हुई डिस्टिल वाटर में से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? बिकॉज डिस्टिल वाटर के अंदर कोई भी सॉल्ट प्रेजेंट नहीं था. अब उसमें हमने क्या करा, सॉल्ट ऐड कर दिया है, तो उससे क्या हुआ, अब डिस्टिल वाटर कैन इजीली पास आउट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In case of a fire, before the firemen use the water hoses, they shut off the main electric supply for the area. Explain why they do this. Now, so what is the answer? Water may conduct electricity. Water is a good conductor of electricity. It means कि if we don't shut off the main electricity, we get harm. अगर हम उसको बंद नहीं करेंगे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को, जो सप्लाई हो रहा है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को, अगर हम उसको बंद नहीं करेंगे तो वाटर क्या है, गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, तो उससे हमें हार्म होने की चांसेस रहती है. दैट्स वाई, तो इफ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई फॉर द एरिया इज नॉट शट ऑफ and water is produced over electric appliances, then electric may pass through water and harm the fireman. That is why in case of a fireman, the fireman shut off the main electric supply for the area before they use the water hoses. It means कि water is a good conductor of electricity. Okay. Now next question. In case a child staying in a coastal region tests the drinking water and also the sea water with his tester, he finds that the compass needle deflects more in the case of sea water. Can you explain the reason? Okay, a child staying in coastal region tests the drinking water and also sea water. Okay, तो sea water contains, देखो इसके अंदर there are two types of water. First is coastal region, जो एक है drinking water, and second is sea water. And we know that कि किसके अंदर सॉल्ट क्वांटिटी ज्यादा होती है, ऑब्वियसली सी वाटर के अंदर सॉल्ट क्वांटिटी ज्यादा होगी. तो सी वाटर कंटेन्स मोर डिजॉल्व सैंड देन द ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. तो सी वाटर के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा सॉल्ट डिपोजिशन होता है व्हेन वी कंपेयर द ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. तो ड्रिंकिंग वाटर में कम होता है, सी वाटर में बहुत ज्यादा होता है. तो हैंस इट इज मोर कंडक्टिंग देन द ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. तो इट मीन्स कि जिसमें ज्यादा सॉल्ट है वो ज्यादा क्या करेगा, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को पास करेगा, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करेगा. तो कौन कर रहा है, सी वाटर, बिकॉज सी वाटर हैव मोर सॉल्ट कंपेयर टू द ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. Because of this reason, the compass needle deflects more in sea water than in the drinking water. जो compass needle है वो कहाँ डिफ्लेक्ट करेगी, सी वाटर वाली साइड में ज्यादा डिफ्लेक्ट करेगी, बिकॉज सी वाटर के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा सॉल्ट है और सॉल्ट इज अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Is it safe for the electrician to carry out electric repairs outdoors during heavy downpour? Explain. Now this is the answer. No, it is not safe to repair electric appliances outdoor during heavy downpour. This is because rainwater contain dissolved salts. Therefore, rainwater can conduct electricity. Rainwater में क्या है? Dissolved salts है. So that's why rainwater also conduct electricity. So the electricity may get electrical shock while working outdoor during the रेन. जो इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंस भी हम यूज में ले रहे हैं तो उससे क्या हो सकता है? इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक हो सकता है. बिकॉज रेन वाटर में क्या मिक्स है? सम सॉल्ट्स आर मिक्स इन द रेन वाटर एंड दिस इज बिकम अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. दैट्स व्हाई हमें जो इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस है उन्हें आउटडोर ड्यूरिंग रेन टाइम में नहीं यूज में लेना चाहिए. नॉट गेट इलेक्ट्रिक. Now next question. Paheli had heard that rainwater is a good as distilled water, so she collected some rainwater in a clean glass tumbler and tested it using a tester. To her surprise, she found that the compass needle showed deflection. What could be the reason? तो उसका क्या reason है? Because in the previous question we just know about it कि in the rain water some salt are dissolved. That's why rain water is also a good conductor of electricity. So rain water contains dissolved salt. This make it conducting solution. There are no dissolved salt present in the distilled water. We know that in the distilled water there is no salt present in the distilled water. But when we talk about rain water, so some salts are dissolved in the rain water. Hence the rain water can allow electricity to pass through it while distilled water cannot. Now next question. Prepare a list of objects around you that are electroplated. Electroplated it means कि in the previous हमने अभी fill in the blanks में करा था. ओके, डिजायर मटेरियल या डिजायर हम जो भी मेटल है उसको हम अदर मेटल के ऊपर ओवरलैप कर रहे हैं, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग. Example of electroplated objects are all follow. Chromium plating is done on different parts of cars, buses and motorcycle to give them shiny appearance. Second, a fine layer of gold is deposited on the silver ornaments and they are called gold plated ornaments. Next, iron used in constructing a building is coated with a layer of zinc. This protects iron from corrosion and rusting. Now next, question. The process that you saw in activity 14.7 is used for purification of copper. A thin plate of pure copper and a thick rod of impure copper are used as electrodes. Copper from impure rod is sought to be transferred to the thin copper plate. Which electrode should be attached to the positive terminal of the battery and why? Now this is the answer. Copper ion is positively charged. Copper ion is positively charged. It is attract towards the plate which is conduct to the negative terminal. In the fill in the blanks we done this नेगेटिव कि हमारे पास यही क्वेश्चन था कि कॉपर किस तरफ डिसॉल्व होगा, किस तरफ वो मूव करेगा. तो कॉपर गेट पॉजिटिव चार्ज और ये कहाँ मूव करेगा? टुवर्ड्स द नेगेटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द बैटरी. एज कॉपर आयंस आर ट्रांसफर्ड टू a thin copper plate, this thin pure copper plate must be conducted to the negative terminal. जो thin copper plate है वो कैसी होनी चाहिए? Negative terminal, because copper is positively charged. Terminal of the battery. Consequently, impure copper rod is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So when pure copper rod टूवर्ड्स द नेगेटिव साइड। तो इट मीन्स कि जो इम्प्योर कॉपर रॉड है वो कहाँ कनेक्टेड होगी, पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल। नाउ we solve NCERT based question answers. Thank you.